happened before. It will happen again. It's just a question of when.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? There's two things that I want to address. First, I don't know if everyone has heard about this. Well, I was going to upload the part 2 of the reorganization of my working prepper pantry, but this has to be addressed first, okay? And I will update you guys on the working prepper pantry most likely tomorrow, okay? But this is more important, okay? I was going to tap dance, but forget it, you know. It's just not worth it. Italy is back on lockdown. This should be a warning to us, really. So I really think that we should be taking this seriously and stock up, please. Just listen to me. If you've never listened to me before, listen to me now, okay? Stock it to the roof. I don't care what you have to do, because if this is our warning, do you really want a repeat of last year, where people are literally panic buying and you can't get your hands on toilet paper or anything else, and you're running around like a chicken without a head? I know that I tried to make light of the situation with that little intro. Okay, I really did. Armageddon, yay, you know. But I just don't know what more to say. Get ready. Get ready, because it's coming. It really is. I hope I'm wrong. I really do. But it wasn't it. Am I wrong? But wasn't Italy the first one to lock down? So let's just get ready, okay? Second thing, first I'm going to put in a clip, and I'm going to put that clip in about Italy right now, okay? So here it comes.
We were talking just before we came on air. Already you're telling me it is much, much quieter there.
Well, it is a little bit, but it's only really just the beginning of this situation, where you have the bulk of the country, some 3/4 of the population, going into these much, much more stricter measures. And just before everything kicked off over the weekend, we saw parks, restaurants, as well as hairdressers packed with people trying to get the most of the situation before these measures kicked in. So what it happens now is that the bulk of the north of the country, in Rome, the region of Lazio, where I'm in, as well as Marche in the central part of Italy, as well as Campania and Impulia in the south, all now under the so-called red zone, where all non-essential activity is not allowed. You can only go outside for work, health, or emergency or necessary purposes, and you need that self-declaration form again. The rest of the country is under an orange zone, where they are free to move in their municipalities, but that's about it really in terms of the restrictions. They still can't move between regions throughout the country, as well as there's this curfew. Now, as you mentioned, this is a result of the fact that we saw a 10% 1% increase in the number of COVID cases, and more than 3,000 posts or spots in the intensive care units are filled now with patients. And so the pressure we're seeing is on the hospitals, on those intensive care units. The health minister has said that he doesn't expect the numbers to increase till about the second half of spring. And so he said that it's going to be very difficult in the coming weeks. And that's essentially because of the variants, that British variant counting for some 54% of the cases, or perhaps even more. And of course, the fact that the vaccination program has just been too slow.
Yeah, you talk about that vaccination program, Seema. I mean, how is that going?
Well, at the moment, currently, it's just over 2 million people that have managed to get both doses of the vaccine, and that's really a small percentage. Now, the new Prime Minister, Mario Draghi, has put in place a military general to head up the vaccination program right now, and they want to increase from 170,000 doses daily to some 500,000 doses daily, and they are planning to hire junior doctors as well as dentists in order to administer those jabs, and they're using whatever spaces that they can get available in order to do this. Now, they want some 80% of the population to be vaccinated by September, but of course it all depends on delivery. Now they're saying some 15.7 million jabs came in just in the first quarter of the year, but they expect that to be boosted to some 52 million by between April and June, and effectively 85 million by the third quarter of the year. Now Pfizer, for instance, has said that they're increasing their doses, and AstraZeneca as well are going to be increasing their doses of the vaccine. That said, though, just on Sunday, the Piedmont region up north have decided to suspend their vaccines of AstraZeneca, concerned about the reports about blood clots being linked to the vaccine. At the moment, there is no clear link at all, but they're concerned about that, and so they've decided to suspend the program. The Italian health authorities, however, have said they plan to continue dishing out those AstraZeneca doses. So really, some stops and starts there, but they're hoping that it will boost the situation, particularly now as most Italians are in lockdown and trying to deal with their situation on the ground. Schools being closed, of course, causing chaos for parents as well. So lots to manage in the weeks ahead, but they're hoping that they will see those numbers come down with these tougher restrictions in place.
Seema, thanks very much. Seema Gupta, our correspondent, speaking to us there from Rome.
Okay, now the second thing that I want to talk about is Venezuela. What's going on right now, currently, okay? Subscriber of mine got a hold of me, and she has a friend that lives in Venezuela. Right now, Venezuela is in big trouble, okay? There is no diesel, meaning no gas is being delivered, no food will be delivered to their little grocery stores, okay? So you thought it was bad before? No, it's about to get about 100 times worse, okay? So I want to tell you that the woman who lives in Venezuela, she does have a YouTube channel, and I will leave a screenshot of her YouTube channel with this video, okay? I would love for you to go over and subscribe to her channel for me, please, okay? Let's try to get her up to 1,000 subscribers, okay? She does have some very interesting videos. She does explain a little bit about what goes on. She does not show her face, okay? Because, you know, if they find out, I don't even want to think about it. You know what I mean? So, her name is Marielle, and she talked to her friend, which is my subscriber, and she said, what do I do? She said, I have a little bit of money. What do I do? Because, you know, because there's not going to be any gas. You can't, you know, go get water. You can't go do this. You can't get that. So she was advised, spend what money you do have on food preps. So that's exactly what she's doing. I wish there was a way to help her. I'm going to find out very shortly if she has like a PayPal or like a Cash App or something, because if she does, I'm going to try and help her out as much as I can. Okay. And if you guys want to help her, like $5 goes a long way, I'm guessing. You know what I mean? So, I hate to, even put that out there. You know what I mean? Because you guys don't know her and stuff like that, but holy hell. Jeez. Can you imagine? Can you even imagine? No gas, no diesel, no food is going to be delivered to those food stores. Nothing. I'm also going to include a screenshot of what my subscriber sent me, okay? So you can see exactly what I'm talking about, all right? Because I want to show you the proof, okay? Because I said to my subscriber, I said, because she can't get her hands on water, like bottled water or anything. I said, can I send her like a life straw or anything like that? She said, even if we were to send her something, there's no guarantee she would even get it anytime soon. So I said, okay. So she said, let me find out if she's got a PayPal or anything. I said, all right, good. Because I'll send her a few dollars. I don't care. I give to charities as much as I can. And I'm not saying that she's a charity case, but living in a place like that with no way out. And remember, this is the one that is a school teacher who literally makes $2 a month. I've spoken about her before. $2 a month as a school teacher. Just to clarify something, my sister Janine, she was a teacher up in Jersey, middle school, language arts, English teacher. Do you want to know what she was making up in Jersey? $92,000 a year. Let that roll around in your head for a second. So, there's something that's got to be done here, man. Okay? I don't know. You tell me. What can we do? Please. I want to help her. I do. So as soon as I find out anything, I will update you guys, okay? Because this has got to stop. I just watched a video that she uploaded 5 days ago. And as she is recording and talking about off-grid cooking and stuff like that, okay? She goes, oh, electricity went out again. This is the 4th time today. It's not even like a rolling blackout. You just turn it off. Anyway, all right. I will update you. As I get updates, I'll update you. All right? I love you guys. I'll see you later, okay? Stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping. More so now than ever. I know I've said that before, but if Italy's locking down, and they were the first ones to lock down before, all right, you know. I'm getting aggravated over here. And when I get aggravated and when I get frustrated, my South Jersey girl comes out. You don't want to see that. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. Anyway, I love you. I really do. Stay positive. Please keep prepping, and fear less. I know it's really hard to fear less, and I know it's hard sometimes to stay positive, but we got to. All right. Bye.